To get started, you need to download a certain font style first. Go to the link in the description and download the font that's called X Typewriter. Open the zip file and click on Install. After that, go to After Effects and select the text tool. Type in your text, and right here, we want our text to be right in the center of the frame. So go to Align, click on Align horizontally, and then Align vertically. Change the font style to the one we just downloaded. There you go. Now, to create the typewriter effect, click on this icon here, go to Animate, go to Character Offset, click on Add, Properties, and then click on Opacity. Set the opacity volume to 0. After that, expand the range selector like this, keyframe the start position, go forward to where you want the effect to end, and then change the volume back to 100. Now let's take a small look. To add more depth into our effect, you can open up the advanced section, and then what you want to do is change the smoothness to 0. What you can also do is add a sound effect to make the typewriting effect more lively. You can download a free sound effect by heading over the link in the description. Ctrl I or Command I to import it. And basically just sync it with the visual effect. Ctrl Shift D to cut the rest of the sound clip. And at the end, it should look something like this. And there you go. That's how you add a typewriter effect inside of After Effects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to learn more effects, feel free to watch this next tutorial.